The only video you need to watch and save to start investing your money and start building your wealth. I'm going to go over everything you need to know step by step and dumb it down as if you're a third grader. And if you're anywhere between 15 to 25 years old and you're not doing this, then listen up. It only takes 30 minutes and it will change your life, trust me. First, go to the App Store and download M1 Finance. This is not a sponsored video. This is the brokerage I use and the one that I found to be the easiest. Open the app and hit sign up now. Fill out email and password. Hit continue. Fill out the information. Fill out some more information and some more information. Put your employment status, SS number, and then continue on with the sign up process until you're fully into the platform. Hit invest and you'll get a page looking something like this. Choose securities. Then hit funds at the top right next to stocks. And for this, we're just going to do a 3-fund portfolio with the total stock market index, the S&P 500, and then the total international stock market index. I'll explain what all of that means in another video, but name your portfolio. Click show more at the top. Connect your bank right there. You can connect one instantly or manually. I have a couple connected right there, but you can add one right there and then choose your bank. Once you choose it, hit deposit. Now make sure that these are correct and then enter your amount and then hit transfer. And then once you're done with that first deposit, hit deposit again so we can set that on a recurring basis. Choose your bank again, make sure it's the right portfolio and brokerage account, and then choose your amount and then hit switch to recurring transfer. And then choose the frequency of which you want to recur that transfer. I personally do weekly, but you could do bi-weekly, monthly, it doesn't matter as long as you're consistently investing into the market. And we're doing this recurring transfer because you and myself are just a bunch of lazy fucks and we don't want to constantly go back in the app and transfer our money and hit buy. It's just going to do it for us. We're just going to act as if it's a tax and set it, forget it, and never look at it. But it's very important that you swipe up on this little slider and you hit auto invest and make sure that that is on. That is super important or else your money's just going to be sitting there doing nothing and not actually being invested. And please, 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 if you have any questions or don't know any of this, let me know in the comments. I want to help you. I believe every single one of us should be doing this and get financially literate so that way we don't even have to worry about money for the rest of our lives. Make sure you save this for later, and if you could do me a favor and repost it, share it with your friends, and sauce me a follow, that would be greatly appreciated. You're welcome.